I don't wanna start like this. All teared out, sitting in my dorm room, with papers overdue. We may not be miles away, but this isn't the place I wanted to stay. Our future is dried out and you're on the floor, telling me the door ain't open no more. Out the window, our city lights, like the ones we said we wouldn't see at night. As the day turns from the light, I wonder why we're sad, who's wrong or who's right. Let's watch the sunrise over New York and pretend like this world is yours. Try and heal our broken bones and make our start closer to home. I don't wanna end like this, all overboard. Sitting in silence, two hearts no more, yeah. We may not love each other the same, but it's only the paths we've chosen to take. Our hearts have been dried out and you're on your feet, turning around to shut the door on me. Out the window, our city lights, like the ones we said we wouldn't see at night. As the day turns from the light, I wonder why we're sad, who's wrong or who's right. Let's watch the sunrise over New York and pretend like this world is yours. Try and heal our broken bones and make our start closer to home. Oh yeah. Let's watch the sunrise over New York and pretend like this world is yours. Try and heal our broken bones and make our start closer to home. Make our start closer to home.